Welcome to our tutorial on how to request your account report in WhatsApp Web on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look for the More option located at the top of the screen. Step 3. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Settings menu, find and select Request Account Info. Step 5. Under the Account Information section, you will see an option to Request Account Report. Click on it. WhatsApp will now begin compiling your account report, which may take some time depending on the amount of data associated with your account. You will receive a notification once the report is ready to be downloaded. And there you have it. You now know how to request your account report in WhatsApp Web on your PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy messaging!